That's Academy. I am going to expand this using Pascal's principle. So let's see how it goes. In terms of Pascal's principle, where if the power is 1, like remember this one is 3, but if the power is to be 1, you are going to have the coefficient of 1 and 1. I'm going to explain. Then if you have 2, power is 2, you are going to have 1 will start, 1 plus 1 is going to be 2, and 1 will end. If the power is 3, just like we have 3 now, it's going to be, the first is going to start with 1. 1 plus 2 is going to be 3. 2 plus 1 is going to be 3. Then you end with 1. Now, what am I going to do with these numbers? They are going to form my coefficients. Look at what I am going to do. So at this point, I'm going to have, the first one is 2x. Now, one more thing I want to say. This is the first term, which is 2x. It's going to start from 3 and keep on reducing in power. Why this second term, which is y, is going to start from 0 and increase in its power. So the first number there, 1, I'm going to put 1 here. This is raised to power 3, and y is going to be raised to power 0. That is the first thing. The next one is 3. I'm going to say plus 3. The first term, which is 2x, is going to reduce. It was power 3 here, is going to be power 2. Y is power 0 here, is going to be power 1. Then plus, the next one is 3. I'm also going to have 3. The first term is going to be 2, is now going to be 1. And y was power 2 is going to be, y was power 1 is going to be power 2. And the last is 1, which is going to be plus 1. 2x raised to power, it was 1 here, is going to end in 0. Y was power 2 is going to be power 3. So after this, I'm going to open and simplify everything I have. Then this is power 2 raised to power 3 is going to be 8. X raised to power 3 is going to be x raised to power 3. Times 1 is still the same thing. Anything raised to power 0 is also 1. 1 times all this is still going to be this. So this is the first term. Plus, this 2 is going to power this, is going to be 4. 4 times 3 is going to be 12. And x is going to be raised to power, x is going to be raised to power 2. And y is going to be power 1, which is 17. Then plus, this is power 1, so it doesn't matter. 3 times 2 is going to be 6x, y raised to power 2. Plus, 1 times 2x raised to power 0 is still 1, times 1 is still 1. 1 times y raised to power 3 is going to be y raised to power 3. Therefore, this is the expanded quantity for 2x plus y raised to power 3. Please